In a shocking case, one man has been arrested for trying to mow down his uncle with a car in Chikmagaluru. The accused who has been arrested has been identified as Irfan. He had tried to kill his brother-in-law Muhammad Rizwan over a family dispute. A family dispute went horribly wrong when one set of the family members attacked another in broad daylight yesterday in Chikmagaluru. The murder attempt was caught on camera. The man was injured in the incident is Rizwan, and the ones driving the car were alleged to be his father-in-law and another relative of his wife. In fact, a shocking incident there where one Irfan has been taken into custody for trying to mow down his own uncle. Irfan was driving the car, whereas the victim, Rizwan's father-in-law, was sitting by him in the passenger seat. It is said that a family rivalry had snowballed into what became an ugly brawl on the streets of Chikmagaluru. This CCTV footage that has been retrieved speaks of the horrific incident that took place. My colleague Arun joins us with more details on this. Well, Arun, shocking to say the very least.
That's right, Nishchita. It's something which really sent down a shiver to every person in Chikmagalur. Just to recap, this particular person in question, Muhammad Rizwan Hussain, was the person who was attacked yesterday. And the reason why he was attacked was he actually had a domestic squabble with his wife. He had married one lady called Rihana Parveen in January 2013. Post the wedding, we are given to believe that despite the fact that the couple had an issue, there was a bit of a domestic problem between the two of them, and things actually went from bad to worse. It was finally this particular person in question, that is Rizwan Hussain, who tried to amicably solve the problem. That is the reason why he actually approached the family counseling center, and he tried to arrange a meeting with his estranged wife through the family counseling center head, Mohini Siddhe Gowda, and that's the reason why he had actually gone there to meet them. And when he was coming out, there was an attempt made to actually run him over, and the van, a van was being driven by his brother-in-law Irfan and his father-in-law Bashir, along with some other relatives. Now, this whole drama actually got captured on CCTV camera, and the chilling truth was virtually leaked out, in the sense that everyone came to know about the murderous attempt being made on Rizwan's life. And based on the information available, actually a police complaint was lodged in the Baswanahalli police station, and they began investigations in right earnest. Now we are given to believe that the brother-in-law Irfan is cooling his heels in police custody, and a massive manhunt has been launched for the other co-conspirators, which includes the father-in-law Bashir and other relatives, including Amjad, Yusuf, Yasin and Naveed. So clearly the police managing to crack the case. This is the information that we got from the SP of Chikmagalur, Chetan, who has confirmed to us that the attackers of Rizwan Hussain have been arrested, Nishchita.
Right, and also we understand that Rizwan has sustained some grievous injuries. We can see the impact of the collision right here on our television screens. Do we know about his condition now?
He is reportedly improving. Remember, he was moved to the district hospital. He's reportedly out of danger. But the savagery of the incident really shocked a lot of people. As you rightly pointed out, look at that red van. It murderously comes towards Rizwan, and it was a lucky escape, so to speak, for Rizwan. Remember, he perhaps repented the fact that he had a domestic squabble with his wife. He was wanting to patch up, and for the sake of their young issue, and ensure that they led a happy married life. But that was not the case to be. His in-laws mistook his honest intention, and they tried to actually kill him. But luckily enough, he escaped. And today, one of the conspirators, in fact, his brother-in-law Irfan, is now cooling his heels behind bars, Nishchita.
Right, absolutely. The man that you see in the television screens on the left-hand side is Irfan. He's the accused who has now been taken into custody. He, along with Rizwan's father-in-law, were in the car that tried to run over Rizwan. This is regarding a marital dispute that had taken place between Rizwan and his wife's family was not one bit happy, and they even went to the extent of attempting to murder him. Well, thank you, Arun, for joining us with all those details. Well, quite a horrific incident there being reported from Chikmagaluru, but fortunately, one of the accused at least has been taken into custody. This is what happens when dirty linen is washed in public. One couple's marital problems have snowballed into such a huge controversy that the woman's family members did not think twice before attacking her husband brutally, almost with the intention of killing him.